The Cordless Go Kitchen Vacuum. The battery attaches to the back of the machine by clicking it into place. There is an on-off switch on the top of the handle. If you hold that on-off switch down, you get the boost power for that little bit extra suction. There are 2 tools included for getting to those hard to reach places. To empty the vacuum cup, you simply twist the bottom and it just comes off the vacuum. There is a filter in here which also pulls out. The filters are also sold separately in a pack of 3, so if people want to purchase more filters, they can. The filter cup and also the rubbish cup are fine to go in the dishwasher to get them nice and clean. The battery is not included in the vacuum. This needs to be purchased separately. There is also a 1-year warranty on the vacuum as well. The KitchenAid Cordless Vacuum.